If you've used ChatGPT to write your marketing copy, it probably sounds fine. And if you know me, you know what I think about fine. Fine copy is beige, it doesn't get remembered, and fine definitely doesn't sell. Here's what's happening right now. Most founders and marketers are using AI every day, but what they're really doing is mass producing beige. Because AI can't write like you until you train it to think like you. And that's not about prompts, it's not about programming. I've always said that copywriting isn't a dark art or an innate talent, it's science. It's 80% psychology, 20% wordsmithing. And I've taught over 40,000 people copywriting techniques through my online courses. So if copywriting can be learned by humans, it can be trained by AI. And that's why I teach business owners how to give AI what I call a personality transplant. I can do that for businesses as well. So there are 3 things you need to feed AI if you want your copy not to sound beige or mass produced or not like you. So step 1 is voice of customer research. So you need to show it how your customers speak. So most brands skip this and wonder why their AI sounds like a corporate intern. So you have got gold sitting in your reviews, in your testimonials, in your discovery call transcripts, but also in Facebook groups, Reddit threads, anywhere your perfect audience is talking about the problem you solve. We go and we collect that research and then we feed it into your system. So AI uses their language, not always yours. So that is a secret sauce. Step 2 is to do brand voice strategy. So you have to give it your brand voice. And I don't mean a list of adjectives like friendly but professional or warm, the way your brand actually feels in words. So we need to do some work on your brand voice. And this is where the human touch still matters because your voice is what makes your content unmistakably you. We need to sort your brand voice out. Step 3 to train your AI is talking through the psychology triggers. So I have got a background in psychology. So we lean into the sales psychology. We teach it what makes people feel understood and take action. So this could be scarcity, social proofs, loss aversion, emotional contrast, future pacing, PSO formulas, the science of what makes words work. And once you've done that, AI stops sounding like ChatGPT and starts sounding like your brand and thinking like a copywriter. So I've taught over 40,000 people how to write persuasive copy, and now I help founders train the AI to do the same. I help marketers train the AI to do the same. So it's not about replacing human creativity, it's about scaling it without losing your soul or your brand's unique voice. So if you want your AI content to sound more human, more persuasive, and more like you, we have to train it to do these 3 things. So book a call. I'll put the link in the comments below. We'll sharpen your brand voice, teach your AI the psychology behind what makes people work, and get your content to sound like your brand, not beige.